Diamond bird nets for agriculture is one of the star products for Dongshen Development Ltd. It is made from HDPE material and the UV stabilizers and inhibitors from Basf and Ciba. These diamond nets are strong and durable with a lifespan of 7 to 10 seasons. Diamond bird net is the solution to protect individual birds, nut trees, or berry patches from marauding birds to ensure your hard-earned harvest becomes reality. All the nets are inspected, heat-cut into sizes by the experienced workers together with strict QC, so their nets look so excellent.